There are a lot of people who would like to know how to make money with internet marketing, and that's why a quick web search for home-based business opportunities or internet marketing can produce hundreds of millions of results, because that many people are curious about it. The answer that people are looking for is probably not the answer that they really want to hear, because many folks are looking to get rich quick and don't want to spend much money in the process. And there is a way to do that. It's called the lottery, and it's for people who only dream of getting rich. Let's face it, the reason so few people end up earning money on the internet, or at least any big money, is because they fail to understand that there must be an investment of time, money, and training in order to master the internet and all it has to offer. Too many people are looking to just sign up with a company, get a website, and then they expect the checks to just roll in, though the beginner really has no idea how this happens. Well, that's not the way it works despite all the advertisements that give this ridiculous impression. Learning internet marketing is not hard, but it's sure not easy either. It does take desire to accomplish something, there is money involved, it always takes patience, and there has to be some training involved as well. Whenever beginners decide to get into working from home and online marketing, they need to realize that thinking about the money is the last thing that should enter their mind. Any beginner who is just focused on the money spent or the money earned as they enter the business, well, that person will be an instant failure. When learning how to make money with internet marketing, it's important to have three things, and they are training, tools, and patience. The failure rate for online marketing is about 95%, and the single biggest reason for that is people just get frustrated and quit, and the reason that they get frustrated is because they never took the time to get training, or in other words, they just don't know what to do. Go ahead and jump into the business of network marketing, but if you want to succeed, pay for some training first, because in the end it will save you time, money, and frustration. Click the link in the description for more information.